Hello, welcome to today's mathematics tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the sum of the terms of an arithmetic progression. We're looking at sum of terms of AP. The sum of terms of arithmetic progression can be calculated using two formulas. One is Sn equal to n over 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d, then you close the bigger bracket. The second formula can be calculated using Sn equal to n over 2 in bracket a plus l. And the first formula is applied whenever the first term and the common difference of the arithmetic progression is given to you, while the second formula is applied whenever the first term and the last term of the arithmetic progression is given. And let's take this particular example, which was sent to me via my email. The question says, example 1, if the third term of an AP is, if the third term of an AP is 10 more than the first 10. If the third term of an AP is 10 more than the first 10, and the fifth term is 15 more than the second term. The question says, find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the AP if the seventh term is 7 times the first term. How do we solve this particular question? The question is very simple. Only what you need to do is just follow the sentences, the first sentence, the second sentence, and the third sentence. So let's just go down to solution we have here. What do we have here? If the third term of an AP is 10 more than the first 10, that means the third term, T3 of an AP, is 10 more than the first 10. Okay, therefore, how do we get a T3? T3 is A plus 2D, which is equal to our first term is A plus 10. So, because we have A on both sides, what you have to do is just cancel out the A's. You have what left? 2D equal to 10. So, you make D the subject of the formula by dividing both sides by 2. So, D is equal to 5. So, definitely here, we have discovered the common difference. Then, how do we get the first term of the arithmetic progression? You make use of the last sentence. Why? Because if you apply the second sentence, definitely you're going to find the same common difference there. So using the last sentence, which says, if the seventh term is 7 times the what? The first 10. And the seventh term will give us, if the seventh term is equal to 7 times the first term, which is A, how do we get the seventh term of an arithmetic progression? The seventh term is obtained as A plus 6D, which is equal to 7 times A here will give you 7A. So what next? You collect the like terms. Collecting like terms here, A and 7A, they are like terms. So here should be A. When 7A crosses the equality sign, or you subtract 7A from both sides, according to the laws of equations. So subtracting 7A from both sides here will be equal to A minus 7A equal to, what we have here? 7A minus 7A. Then when plus 6D crosses, changes to minus 6D. A minus 7A here will give us minus 6A equal to 7A minus 7A remaining minus 6D. So minus 6 cancel minus 6. What we have? A is equal to D. Now if A is equal to D, what is the value of our D? The value of our D here is 5. So if D is 5, that means that A is equal to 5. So from here, we have obtained the first term of the arithmetic progression. So which of the formula are we going to apply? Definitely you apply the first formula, which include the first term of the arithmetic progression and the common difference of the arithmetic progression, and equally the number of terms which you are required to find. Applying the formula there, it will give us, therefore, the sum of the what they ask us to find, the sum of the first 10 terms, which is S10, will give equal to number of terms now is 10 all over 2. Then in bracket 2 times our A here is what? Is 5. 2 times 5. Then you open the plus 2 times 5 plus, open the smaller bracket n, which is 10 minus 1 in bracket d, which is 5. You close the bigger bracket. So definitely here we have the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 2 divided by this will give us 5 in bracket. 2 times 5 here is 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 times 5 will give you 45. Or just bring it down. 10 minus 1 is 9 in bracket 5. You close the bigger bracket. So definitely what are you going to have here? The sum of the first 10 terms here will be equal to, you bring down 5, then you have 10 plus 9 times 5 here will give us 45. You close the bigger bracket. So what next are you going to do? You simplify. Here we have the sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 5. You open the bigger bracket. 10 plus 45 here will give you 55. So you multiply out. 5 times 5 is 25. That's 5 carry 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus the 2 you carried, which is 275. Therefore, the first 10 terms of the arithmetic progression from the question is 275. Now, what if the question is being given to you in this very form? Find the sum of the first 6 terms. Find the sum of the first 6 terms of an AP whose first term is 3 and the last term is 16. How do you get this particular formula? You apply the second formula. Why? Because the first term and the last term of the arithmetic progression is given to you. So under solution, we have it as Sn is equal to n over 2 in bracket a plus the last term. So what are we looking for? The sum of the first 6 terms, 6, equal to 6 over 2 in bracket. Our first term here is 3 plus the last term, which is 16. So 2 divided by this will give us the sum of the first 6 terms is equal to 2 by 6 is 3 in bracket. 3 plus 16 will give us 19. So definitely here we open the bracket by multiplication. 3 times 9 will give you 27. You write 7, carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus the 2 you carried, which is 5. That is 57. So we're going to stop here for now. For more of my videos, just click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comment, and equally click on the bell for more notification. If you have any other question here, you can send it via my email address, which is written below. Thank you. See you by this time next week.